Back in My Hero Academia chapter 210, we find out one of the biggest secrets of One For All that even All Might didn't knew about. And that, my friend, is not even close to what is happening in My Hero Academia chapter 283. But before getting into Deku's second quirk, Float, I have to explain his first quirk that manifested. So in this edition of My Hero Academia Explained, I will go deep inside Deku's Black Whip. In My Hero Academia chapter 211 and 12, we find out Deku has multiple quirks like All For One, and he can use the quirks of previous user of One For All, except All Might and the first user. Because All Might didn't have any quirk, and All For One's brother have quirk transferring quirk. I know in the comment section, you guys are gonna destroy me with 100% One For All. Deku can technically use the first user quirk, but he will have to transfer One For All. Coming back to Black Whip, the fifth user of One For All informs Deku that Black Whip was previously his quirk. And we as an audience know that One For All increases the physical abilities of the user. This was also confirmed by the fifth user of One For All, Daigoro Banjo. It was also explained that every quirk is tied with certain kind of emotion, and more of that particular emotion, it will enhance the power of that quirk, but it will also make the quirk difficult to control. Let me explain. Black Whip is tied with anger and feeling of capturing someone or something. With more of that feeling, Black Whip becomes more powerful and difficult to control. In joint training arc, we saw the monstrous strength of Black Whip. Deku was destroying the training field left and right without even trying. With Black Whip, Deku can grab or capture any enemy. This concept is very much inspired by Venom's web swinging in Marvel Comics. We all know Kohei Orokoshi is very much inspired by Marvel and DC Comics. He based Deku on Spider-Man. If you guys want a detailed video on the conception of My Hero Academia, please let me know in the comment section. Deku can also get inspired to swing like Spider-Man from Zero. In chapter 58 and episode 33 of My Hero Academia, he got inspired to hop with One For All from Bakugo. During Endeavor Agency arc, Deku pretty much mastered Black Whip. In chapter 251 of My Hero Academia, Deku uses Black Whip to capture some car from falling on the ground. In the latest war arc, Deku is fully utilizing Black Whip. He uses Black Whip to restrain Shigaraki after Shiki becomes broken as fuck. Deku even wraps his arm with Black Whip to mitigate the damage from using 100% One For All. It even strengthens his smash. And we all know which quirk he unlocks after that. So in some other edition of My Hero Academia Explain, I will explain Deku / Nana Shimura's quirk Float.